Hi everyone! Today I will be sharing with you another website or platform that you can use to increase participation and engagement among your students. This is called MENTIMETER. So MENTIMETER is used to create formative assessments, spark discussions, and test knowledge with fun quiz competitions. So as you can see here on my screen, MENTIMETER is a perfect tool to increase classroom engagement and also make sure that everyone's voice is heard. So now let's try to explore the platform. As you can see, it's like a PowerPoint presentation because we have slides here on the left side. That is a sample slide. And then here on the right side, we can edit the entries that each participant or each student can input. We can also put images, just like here in my sample. I put an image of clip art depicting distance learning or remote learning. And then that's the content of the slide. Here we can see the type. So what I chose is word cloud, that's why it's like this one. So as you can see, here are sample responses that my friends answered. We have different types of questions. We have multiple choice. We have open-ended, scales, ranking, and Q&A. So you have a variety of choices that you can use to increase participation inside your virtual or face-to-face classroom. And we also have here quiz competition, select answer or type answer. So we can put questions that include choices, or we can also put questions that does not include choices. And then here are the other forms of slide, other types of slides that we can use. And here, the third one is customized. So it is more on the layout of our slide. And we can also change the theme or the color of our slide in this button. So let's take a look at my sample question. Describe term 2 in one word. So that's my first slide, and then these are the sample answers. So as you can see, we have here tiring, exhausting, pagod, cute. And then here, on the second slide, my question is, what do you feel right now? And I inserted an image of how are you? So this type of question is called open-ended. Yes, because the participants can answer either in a sentence form or in using a couple of words. Okay, so that's the open-ended type. So I only have 2 slides here to show you a sample slide, sample questions. And yes, this is my question. What do you feel right now? So we have different layouts. Yes, we have different layouts available here. Okay, so let's try to present. So if you're going to present this one, you will see that there is press S to hide image, and if we will try to press S, we will see the answers. So these are the answers of some of my friends. So they said they feel tired, they feel empty, they feel happy, and someone says he or she is feeling satisfied. So in short, MENTIMETER is a great tool or platform to increase participation and promote voicing out of their ideas and their suggestions regarding a certain topic or regarding a certain lesson. So In using Mentimeter, we can include here this code. We can include this in our PowerPoint presentation, or we can also include a QR code like this one. So these are the ways on how we can share our Mentimeter presentation. So we can download this QR code so that our students can just scan it and they will be directed to this platform. Or we can also copy this link, or we can also copy this voting code, wherein when our students will enter the Mentimeter website, they will just input this code and they will be to our presentation. So again, this is Mentimeter, a perfect tool to increase classroom engagement and also make sure that everyone's voice is heard.